Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream. Today we'll be once again trading the signals that come from our signals channel. So just to show you what I'm talking about, we have our own signals channel that helps guide you as to where to enter and exit your trades, where to put your stop losses, etc. All you have to do is actually input the numbers and pull the trigger. So this is what I'm talking about. We have a channel here with an influx of around 4 to 5 signals every day. So we're primed and ready for trading XAU USD right now. Just waiting for the signal to come in. So let's see what happens. We'll be working right off the bat here. So this on the left here is where we'll be trading. So we have some charts here to monitor. Let's actually have a look at the US 500. That's quite interesting. Huge look up. Okay, so we've got an entry here, a sell for gold. Bear with me. Oh, we've got a sell here. Exit at 5655. Let's adjust our stop loss to 5670. Okay, well, it seemed to hit our stop loss, which is fine. No problem. Let's see where we end today. First trade wasn't all glory, but we'll see. I always have faith in these signals. Okay, we're waiting for an entry point in gold right now. I am live, yes. Care to join? Pardon? Um. Yeah, just following the signals here. Looks like it's gonna be gold next. Okay, minus 1.3k. That's okay. I mean, we've been very profitable since last week, so that's alright.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay. I was thinking, maybe I should sell that juice.
In the meantime, if you have any stocks, companies, or any tickers that you want to delve deep into, do send them over in the chat, and I'll have a look for you through the GPT that we have here. So this is able to, let's see. Give me a list of penny stocks that will boom in the next month. Here we have a couple of companies, one that we've seen before, Bitfarms, Applied Digital Corp, some interesting ones here. Which of these should I invest in to yield highest returns? Alright, so it's recommending that Applied Digital Corp is the best of these four, five? Yeah, five. There's a high consensus of a buy rating, and let's see, 67% year-over-year increase for this first quarter of the year. So let's see, what is the estimated return for this investment if I hold for 2 months? So analysts have put a 12-month price target from in a range of $9 to $20 and an average target of 12. Let's have a look where it is now. It's currently at $5 and there are projections for $9 to $20. That is quite significant. Another one we'll have a look at is, let's have a look at Bitfarms. Yeah, so right now it's at $1.03. That is pretty good. I mean, we had a look at this the other day and it was at a similar price. But projections for these are about $6. So, I mean, that is very significant growth yet to be made there. Give me a ticker for a scalp trade that I can make right now on a 1 minute time frame. That will have, or that has a 7 out of 10 rating for likelihood of being a successful trade. Okay, we're gonna have to yeah, it's taken the context from the previous penny stock question. But here we're trying to find a brand new trade. So if you're just tuning in, what we're doing here, we're just waiting for the signals to come through. And what I'm talking about is we have a channel that releases roughly 4 or 5 signals per day, exactly where to enter your trades, to take your profit, where to put your stop loss. Gives you the full setup, and it's been working very well for us. So we've been seeing more than 86% in the last 2 months in successful trades. So our first one this morning wasn't so great, but that's fine. I mean, 1.3k in loss, but that's just the first of 5 today. So do stick around if you want to see these signals in action, and for us to prove that, you know, we are more than 86% um, accurate with these signals. But in the meantime, in between those, I'm just showcasing what this platform here does. So this has financial data implemented into it, over 500 billion parameters of financial data. That doesn't mean anything, without actually putting it together, sorting it, and putting it into something that's actionable. So that's what we do. We have algorithms that do exactly that. It can give you, it can set up trades for you. It can organize your portfolio, manage your assets. Pretty much, you know, replaces what a hedge fund manager would be able to do. Without the significant costs of having to consult one. So I've asked, give me a ticker for a scalp trade that I can make right now on a 1 minute time frame that has a 7 out of 10 rating for likelihood of being a successful trade. It's given us Apple. Now that's most likely because, this is speculation by the way, but this is most likely because we have a lot of data on Apple, and so the confidence rating that we can produce is far greater than any other stock. But let's see. It says to buy at 213 and exit at 212. So if it hits that area there, it's saying that we should go in for a sell. Hold on, unless this is very delayed. Oh yeah, this, because I inputted this. I see. Yeah, this is a late trade that we have here. Bear with me, I'm just having a look at these signals. So, I mean, you can see it here, 213 that we had here, enter up here, and it said to exit at 212.50, which was down here, or 212. So for that's a very quick scalp. Let's go in for another one. Let's ask it again. Still waiting on the signal. Says waiting for the right entry point right now. Okay. It's given another one for Apple. A sell at 203, exit at 2. Just ask for the likelihood of this working. 7 out of 10. Okay. Let's try go for it. Alright, so I've just taken the entry, exits, and stop loss of what we've been recommended, just inputted it, and now we're in the trade. I'm doing very low volume because I'm doing this at my own discretion. I'm just using the GPT. So that's not going to
Spring's
be
here,
as
and
potent
London's buzzing again.
as
From
the
outdoor
signals that we
festivals to
have,
packed pubs. Free
um, where there are many more layers to the due diligence and sort of analysis that we're doing. Um, so that's why I'm doing on a lower volume for this one. But, it's working superbly nonetheless, as you can see. 70% probability that this does become a successful trade. So I am very confident in it, but looks like we're at 1,000 in profit. I'll take 1,000. I mean, for a quick scalp like this, that's a very good trade. But we have an exit of 200 there, which is way down here. We'll take the 1,000. We'll take the 1,000. We've got a signal that's come in here to sell. I believe on the US 30. Okay, we've got one or two more signals coming in. But that whimsical sort of trade that I did at my own discretion was very successful. Let's ask again. Okay, we're primed for the US 30. I reckon it'll be a buy. Let's see what it is. Okay, so we've got S&P 500. Let's see. We'll do that in a second, we'll get back to that, but we've got US 30 buy. Yes, as predicted. 41150. Let's put our stop loss. 41070. Let's just wait for it. We'll break even with that one. There's too much uncertainty. Neutral trade. Oh my word. Look at it go though. Yeah, so for all of you that are tuning in right now, what we're doing is trading off of our signals on the signals channel that we have. This is what I'm talking about. And simultaneously just demonstrating how the software works, the GPT. This is the channel. It shows you exactly here um, what to do. So it's very blurry, but each one of those lines, it says sell, which ticker, um, where to enter, exit, and put your stop loss. But what I'm just doing here is asking the GPT. This is at our own discretion, finding our own trades to place. Give me a ticker for a scalp trade that I can make right now in a 1 minute time frame that has a 7 out of 10 rating for likelihood of being a successful trade. Could have put 7 out of 10 or more, but it's fine. Okay. Give me an exact ticker. That US 31 is shooting right up. Okay, here we go. We've got Tesla, we've got a sell. Let's see. Says sell, enter at 283, exit at 28150. What is the likelihood of this being a successful trade? 7 out of 10. Okay. Well, RSI is still heading towards the overbought region. So I'm gonna hold off on this one, just using my intuition. Let's see if there's any indication of a reversal that we can see here. Then we'll be poised to be ready. But let's see. Wow, it's actually caught the reversal very well there. Oh my. Oh, it's very, very minute volume, so we shall see. But I'll be wrapping up the stream very soon, guys. We are finished for the signals. Um, I know there weren't many. Most of them are reserved for our private members. I tried to give you, what I could here. Unfortunately, the very two trades that I've provided you were our neutral and um, loss. So, I mean, we're just, you know, $300 into the loss region, but that's okay. That's okay. Our account is still up. We're only down. We started today with about 130,000. We're at 129. Let's see if we can hit the 130 and make that back. But we've taken it into our own hands to try and find a trade with the GPT. Um, and look, I mean, it's caught a perfect reversal here. Currently 190 US dollars up in profit. But just, how magnificent is that, right? So, I mean, entry at 283, exit 281.50. We'll let this trade run. I might close it a little bit early just because I do want to wrap up the stream. But it is shooting down. Let's take what we have while we're up. But you can see the power of the software. I mean, how it's able to catch that. It's now on a downtrend. 150 up, back to 130k. Yes, okay. Well, for those who were in the Signals channel or have the GPT app, and you are a member of our platform, you would have been up 1500 pips today, despite those two not so great trades that we had for the YouTube live stream members. But at least you saw, what the platform is capable of doing here with the last two trades. So 910 and 150. So 1 grand up from just using the platform itself without the guidance of these signals. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll be back on Monday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time for more signals for you.